Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna tell you about my first impression about GoPro 12 Black Edition. And I purchased this GoPro just because I want to replace my Insta360 X3. The reason is I don't really like the video quality, and I've been using this small camera for half a year, and what can I say, it's really good camera, but I want something more cinematic and I want something more with a better video quality. This one is much better for vlogs if you want to record 360, like everything around you, but in terms of video quality I don't think this Insta360 is a better choice. But at the time I wanted to try this, and well, I spent 600 quid on this one. So today I'm gonna talk about the first impression on my GoPro 12. So this GoPro, it was well, I made a gift for myself for Christmas, and well, because I also was on promotion and I saved a bit of money. So when I got this box I was really impressed, because I also have this travel case, which is good, so I don't need to buy extra accessory for this GoPro, apart from well, I purchased a charging hub for 3 batteries and lens protections for this GoPro. I don't really want to risk it and scratch the lens, which is very important for you. If you have this GoPro, you need to look after this gear. I did the same with this one. So as you can see here, you got lens protections on both sides and screen protections, and that's what I want to do with this one as well. So back to this, my first impression was, to be honest, I think the quality is slightly better than Insta360 X3. Just to let you know, I haven't got this one for free from no one, so I'm not promoting anyone. It's basically from my experience. So this video only from my experience. I'm not telling you to buy Insta360 or GoPro 12. I'm just telling from my impression which one I like, and I still haven't tested the video quality on GoPro 12, but so far I can tell you the video quality on this Insta360 X3 it's not what I want. And let's get back to this. So as you can see, I got here the camera itself, and to be honest, I really like it. I like it because you got screen here as well, so you can see on both sides what you can do. The quality looks good. And I also got here this. What I also got here is the headset for GoPro. I don't think I'm gonna use it. Looks solid and look good, good quality. Maybe I'll give it a try one day. And also I was impressed that I got this one in the box. This small tripod or small handle tripod for GoPro, which didn't came with Insta360. So basically for Insta360 I had to buy additional, but with this came in the box, and I was really happy. Same again, I don't think I'm gonna use it, but it's good to have it. So if you don't want to use it, it's always good to have, so you don't have, when you need it, don't have it. So it's always good to have additional accessory for free. Pretty much that's the box. This one is basically a sticky accessory for GoPro if you want to put on your helmet, and I got additional battery. So I got basically 2 batteries. Things they're really small. Them batteries are really small, like you can see here. They're really small, and I don't think they're gonna last more than 1 hour recording, which is a bit disappointing. As you can see from Insta360, the battery is much more bigger, but we're gonna leave this one on the side and we're gonna focus on GoPro, like a small chocolate. But yes guys, that's so my first impression was also when I've turned it on. I can say, there you go, I really can say that the quality of the screen, touching screen, it's much better than from Insta360, which I want to replace it. And the video quality looks definitely much better, and I'm really happy that I have more options on video settings, and it does have time lapse and photography, which are the main thing I'm interested as well, photography and videography. And I still haven't tested it, but I really hope I'm gonna make a video test maybe next week and post it on YouTube for you to see. But yes, so far I'm really happy with what I got from GoPro 12, especially this box. This is the most important thing for me, so I can store my GoPro and I don't have to throw it somewhere in my bag and the GoPro to get scratched. But it's well, I'm really happy with my gift, which I made myself for Christmas. Anyway guys, if you really like this video, please feel free to subscribe and thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below and I'll reply to you back, and I'll see you next video.